In today's video, I'm going to show you how to post your certificate on your LinkedIn profile. Whether you're celebrating a new achievement, showcasing your professional growth, or you simply want to make your profile stand out, this simple step-by-step guide will walk you through everything you need to know. First, open your LinkedIn account and go to your main feed. Once you're there, click on your profile picture to open your profile page. Make sure to follow along carefully so you don't miss any details. Now look for the Add Profile section button. This is where you'll find all the options for adding new content to your profile. Next, click on Recommended and then select Licenses and Certifications. You'll see several fields that help you enter all the important details about your certificate. Follow the on-screen instructions as they appear. They're usually designed to be user-friendly, so there's nothing too technical to worry about. Fill in the required fields like the certificate name, the issuing organization, and the issue date. If your certificate has a credential ID or a verification URL, you can add those too. To make the process smoother, here are a few quick tips. Make sure your certificate name matches the name shown on the document, double-check the spelling of the issuing organization, and ensure that your dates are accurate. Doing this beforehand can save you time and help prevent unnecessary issues. Once you've completed the basic information, scroll down to the Add Media option. This is where you can upload an actual image or PDF of your certificate. After that, you should be able to click Upload Media, choose your file from your computer or device, and attach it to the certification entry without any interruptions. It's also a good idea to preview the file before saving, just to confirm everything looks clear. Taking this extra step ensures your certificate appears professionally and keeps your profile polished. After uploading the file, click Save to add the certificate to your profile. LinkedIn will then ask if you want to create a post announcing your new achievement. If you'd like to share it with your network, simply click Next, write a short caption, and hit Post. This lets everyone know about your accomplishment and can even boost your visibility. And that's all there is to it. By following these simple steps, you'll be able to post your certificate on your LinkedIn profile easily and efficiently. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If this helped you out, feel free to share it with others who might be facing the same issue. Why not make someone's day easier?